where you going, Judicial?
Council, next.
I'm not going to do no breaks. You're going to see suspect possibly fled the scene in a black four-door Mitsubishi.
Hey, what was that partial tag?
Okay, possibly fled the scene in a black four-door Mitsubishi at 8:30.
Partial tag of 246, Kentucky Tiger.
Who's first on scene?
Partial tag of 246.
Of course, victim's there. This is victim's boyfriend. He said he was here at the time that it happened, but he said he doesn't really know what happened. He said they were arguing, and then all of a sudden he just shot him.
Okay. This is the victim's social. That's all I got out of her so far. Because EMS is doing whatever.
Okay.
This is her brother's info. Keith Basemore, 53165. All that. He lives in 2nd and Oak.
Boyfriend witness info.
Just want to get this.
Let me talk to his boyfriend. Hey, sir, how you doing?
How you doing, sir?
Good. I'm Detective Dean. So I understand this is your girlfriend. Okay. Were you actually here when this happened?
Yeah, I was coming out the back door to smoke a cigarette because I don't smoke in the house. And they got the arguing on the phone and stuff. He pulled up behind that bitch. I'm out here now. Got the fine.
Okay. So you were actually out here?
Yeah, I came outside. Yeah.
Okay. So they were inside arguing, and then you heard the gunshot.
Yeah, he was outside the house on the other side.
He was on the other side.
Yeah,
Okay.
he came out. How bitch? I'm out here and started shooting and shit.
All right. So did he actually make entry into the house?
No, he was sitting outside.
Was she in the doorway?
Yeah.
Okay. So she had opened the door. They were arguing back and forth, and then he.
Yeah.
You know what they were arguing about?
We've been having arguments ever since Thanksgiving. You know, family things.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So you know,
Okay.
I can't get my jacket out of the cabin.
Where's that?
It's right there on the couch right there.
On the couch. What color is it?
Black.
Black
right
one?
there. Yes, sir. Right there.
Yeah. Give me just a second. We'll
Yes,
get that
sir.
for you. Okay. Do you live here?
I just come, and I don't live. I live in the West End. I just come to spend a holiday with
Gotcha.
them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
Spend a holiday with them.
Okay.
All right.
Is the 432-7752 best
Yeah.
for you?
Yes, sir.
All right. They're going to be taking. We'll get your jacket for you real quick. They're going to be taking her down to Louisville. If you want to go down there and wait for her, I think we've got everything that we need.
Okay, because my car keys on deep right now.
Car keys on deep freezer.
Car keys on deep. Yeah.
All right. Give me just a second. All right. So that's boyfriend. Boyfriend was over here just to see her. He comes out back to smoke. Brother comes over to the other side of the door. She opens the door. He can hear them screaming, yelling, arguing, this and that. He's like, bitch, I'm gonna shoot you. And he hears a shot fired. Apparently they've been having a bunch of issues going back to Thanksgiving. Yes.
Got a gunshot to the upper left arm.
Want to get to the hospital or how about you?
Yeah, because all we had is her social. Apparently EMS corralled her, and are those her clothes?
Might have it.
Okay. You have an extra flashlight, sorry.
113
113 out.
I'm going to have a full magazine with live rounds in front of 1051 Esquire, and I have one showcase.
Okay, in front of 1051 Esquire with a full magazine. 175 out of 10-4, number is going to be 8020076-140. That's 076140. Super safety. 1813.
150 back is clear off. Runway clear.
5 8 right.
There's another showcase right here. Please, look. This is my sister's house.
I understand that. I just can't have you walking around here right now, okay?
Is there grass right by the door when you open it?
Yeah,
You got a spent one right there.
There's one right here.
Spent one right here.
I spent one inside too.
And there's one right here too.
Coordinating officers to make contact with this individual. He's up there ready to go with him. He left one magazine here and he had others. Just watch everybody.
Okay, 40.
So, boyfriend was over here. He was out back smoking. Brother
This
comes.
happened in the house?
So brother comes over. They're arguing. She's in the doorway. He's outside, screaming, yelling at him. He's like, "Bitch, I'm gonna fucking shoot you!" Blah blah blah. And I guess.
Do you want us to take pictures of this then? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see us do that.
But probably need to get more tape. I didn't think anything was out front. I taped off the whole back.
I know.
I've got tape in my
What if
car.
this car got hit at all? Or
Watch out for the grass.
Just go on the radio.
EMS information.
Charlie, could you have fire come here for a washout, please?
Hey, when you get down there and you talk to her, see if she will give consent to search the apartment. And then ask her if he used a long gun or if it was a handgun. Because we've got what looks like a Draco magazine out here. And there's a bunch of bent shell casings.
16 Wilson.
But there's also a shell casing for what looks to be like a 9mm. So just ask her that. All right, thanks. Matt. Okay. It looks like there's one through the door. Another one? There's about 4 rifle rounds out there. The magazine still got in.
Yeah, that one shooting. Just be advised, we got a call from Mrs. Basemore in reference to domestic trouble at Esquire and Villae West. Said that the husband and the sister were firing shots at each other. The husband is now at 201 York, number 403, which we already knew.
So it's the husband, not the brother.
I'm not sure. I mean, that's perfect. Yeah, so I guess we could 100% sure ask who is this, make sure he's probably going to talk to his boyfriend. If this is his brother, not somebody else. I'm sure it's not. But yeah, that would be nice. Because
unless the caller is her sister-in-law, saying that her husband and the sister were firing shots at each other.
Which that's why I full time to see when people sent because we've got 2 different shell casings, so when she fired at.
yeah, sorry, if you want me to stay on.
Mr. Caldwell, sorry, I haven't forgot about your jacket and keys. We're trying to work through some stuff real quick. So, it was her brother? Yeah. Okay, did you actually see him?
I heard him outside.
Okay.
She opened the door.
She opened the door and you heard it, so you know what he sounds like. And okay, and what's his name?
Keith Basemore.
Okay. You know, and he lives where at?
Right there, York Town, on the 4th floor.
Okay. And I apologize. What is your girlfriend's name?
Connie Basemore.
Connie. Okay. Does Connie own a firearm? You know?
Yeah.
Do you know where it might be inside that?
I don't know where she is.
Okay. Do you think there's any chance that she would have had it on her at the time?
I came outside. I all over. I came outside and sit outside.
Got it. When did that happen?
Right after Thanksgiving.
Right, Thanksgiving? Okay.
Gotcha. I think they get arguing. I don't get into it, you know.
I understand. Okay. Give me just a couple more minutes, all right? Where were the keys at again? Where were the keys at?
On the defense, right on the cheek.
Okay.
Gunshot right there in that wall, is it?
It very well could be, because if you come in here and look at the door. Let's see if I can walk through this way. Care to join?
Okay.
Off though because of the she got shot in the hand.
Okay. Can't tell.
Well, let's.
That radio, you must leave them out.
Wow.
113 out of 10 for thank you, 1890.
That's something right through there. The bottom.
It doesn't look like anything went through the steps.
There's some keys right back there. Those will probably be his.
Yeah, those are the keys he's wanting to give. Let's see. There's a spent casing right there, and then outside it looks to be like a 9mm, and then behind the car up there there's even more rifle rounds in the magazine that's dropped.
If there's one in here, though, I would think the door would have had to have been open for that to get inside here.
Now, boyfriend did just say that she does have a gun. He doesn't know where it is though. So I'm gonna have Simon try to get consent to actually search.
We sure nobody else is in here? I guess we should be good, but...
Are you good with me just not calling CSU after this?
Yeah.
We'll just collect the casings ourselves.
Yep, just for the arm? Yes, I am.
Alright, so I'll just have one of the beat guys grab all the clothes, throw it in a bag, and we'll
Central Utah Town
photograph.
Special Attention, First Division, be on the lookout for trespasser at the family
I'll
dollar,
go pick somebody,
3022
just
Portland
be the
Avenue.
photographer.
I'm fine with that.
Portland
Take
Avenue.
pictures of everything in here,
Company
all the
advised
clothes
subject
out there,
trespassing at the
the
location,
rounds
no
and the
further
magazine out there. We'll collect it all ourselves. I'll take it down to the property.
I'm good with that.
Okay. And then, depending on what she tells Simon,
111 neighbor radio.
I'm gonna
111, David.
I'm gonna have him hold this a little longer, because if she gets concerned, we'll try to find some.
Molly, I think of gunfire coming from probably 4 blocks south of our location.
God.
Or just received a shot spotter, 2134 West Main Street. Looks like another one just came in at 2208 West Main.
Awesome. Hey, Sarge. Can you do me one favor?
Yep.
I'm gonna try to get these keys.
Yep.
And then his jacket is sitting on the back of the couch, so that way he can get out of here. Okay.
And there's another round right there.
See, I think she shot back at him.
I think there was definitely more than one.
For the other 118, we're going to be holding all these shot spotters coming in.
Do you know where his jacket was? Is it this?
His jacket is on the back of the couch.
No, that's not.
1822.
Actually, what kind of keys are those?
I don't know. Yeah.
It's this car right here.
Flashlight real quick just to see.
Let's make a lock. I'm gonna have them run the tag on this. I'm gonna close the door first. Run this tag.
Only reason I said I hadn't seen no shoes
something.
Yeah, I know, I heard. Alright, who all is still on thing here? You have a camera? Alright, can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Take pictures of all of this out here.
It goes all the way down.
Oh shit, really?
Yes, all the way down to where the tape is. There's more brass that way.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I think she fired back too.
I don't know.
So,
All the brass that I'm finding, it's all the steel case, 7.62 by 39.
okay, well there's some other that's in front over there and inside. Just do me a favor, photograph everything out here, and then I'm gonna have you come inside and we'll photograph inside of there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna collect all this. I'm not calling CSU.
Okay. Do you, as I'm taking the photos, have the body cam running too?
Yes,
Or-
please.
See what your code.
7242.
It comes back to take it.
Okay. Well, boyfriend wants to take the car. He's not gonna be able to.
Call sign.
194.
Maurice?
Yes.
Yeah.
So his name's on it too? Okay. Let's see if he gets. He's 191. His code number that I don't know. Really quick, before we let him take his car, I'm gonna see if he gets Mr. Caldwell, before we let you take the car, do you have any objection with us just taking a look at it?
We're looking at it.
Okay, but we're just trying to locate where her gun might be, just because we don't want a gun missing somewhere. That's all.
Alright.
But you're okay with that?
Yeah.
Then once we do that, we'll let you get on out of here, okay?
Okay, I can go nowhere. Yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm just gonna make sure everything is straight here first.
Absolutely, yeah, no problem.
That's fine too.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, if you want to go through it. I got Vinzi doing pictures, doing that. These do have a really big bag.
No, I only have small ones. Real small ones too. Far small.
Do you have a really large bag?
Yeah.
I don't know why. By any chance happen to have a large bag in your car?
I have a bunch of large bags.
You wouldn't mind? I'm going to put the clothes in it.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay. All right. Okay.
You want to talk to your daughter for anything, or is he just going to the hospital?
I'll talk to her real quick. Are you done with this? Yes, absolutely. Where's daughter?
See the silver and
Hold on,
gold,
David.
and the gray
Clear this car only, and go ahead and clear out 2501 West Broadway. They aren't going to wait around an hour for us to
Hello, how are you?
Hold on, David.
Are you the daughter? Okay. So apparently there's an incident with her and her brother, I believe Keith. Is that her brother? Okay. So So I guess there was some type of an incident, and she's on her way down to U of L right now.
Is she okay?
She's okay, yes. Okay, but she was shot.
Where'd she get shot at?
I think just her arm. So she was fine. She was stable, talking, sitting upright, and everything like that. Okay. So she's on her way down to U of L right now. If you want to go down there to see her.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Actually, quick question. Sorry.
Yeah.
So, do you know, have they been having a lot of issues lately?
Yeah, I mean, they've been having little disagreements, arguments, and all that, but I don't understand how it got, because they were staying away from each other, so I don't understand why he would come over here, because she stayed away from him.
Okay.
They got into an argument a couple weeks ago, but after that, like, they pretty much didn't keep in touch. Like, it was, I don't understand how it got to this point.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Is there, forgive me for being blunt asking this, does he use drugs at all or anything like that you know of?
No.
No, does he drink?
He's hot-headed.
He's hot-headed? Okay.
Yeah.
Got a very short temper?
Yeah,
All
very
right.
short.
Got it. Okay. All right, well, I appreciate your time. Like I said, she's heading down to U of L, so you can go down there to see her, okay?
Okay, thank you.
See you later. See what that first period is.
I don't see how nothing else is.
I have no idea, man. There's one more over there.
So,
We'll take a picture.
yeah. Something's not adding up here. Nothing else is hit.
No, I mean, he almost would have had to been standing right there.
He's over there, too.
Unless he was running away and just started shooting.
Yeah, but
Well, it is getting dark.
still.
Right there above the mailbox, I think you got
Yeah. So the door. Okay, so 1, 2,
There's one down at the bottom too that I'll see.
3, 4.
at least 4.
So that's at least 4. And we've got, I think, 6 rifle rounds.
There's one right inside the door too somehow. That doesn't make sense.
See the big rig meeting.
Brass. Okay. Well, he's taking pictures of all this. He's going to collect. He's going to collect the brass.
All right. Go around, take
Then
pictures.
we'll go around and take pictures of the back and the inside. And then,
Depending on what she says, go from there.
yes. Ooh, that's the other thing you do. They've got cameras in the back of their building. Yeah.
What other sister have to say?
That was daughter.
Oh, okay.
So daughter said they've been having issues going back since Thanksgiving, just disagreeing about everything. They had a big argument 2 weeks ago. She's been staying away from him, so she's not even sure what the hell she's coming to school.
Look, this now or later. So doing all the pictures and collecting.
So yes, after he gets done with the pictures up here, if you wouldn't mind collecting all the shell casings up here, because I'm going to take them out back and start taking pictures of the back there on the side. And I'm waiting for Simon to see if he gets consent to search the apartment, because I want to find the search warrant. Thank you.
Been shooting over there, and this has got another magazine. So he was outside, fired off a couple shots. Came over here.
1833.
You done with pictures up here?
I'm trying. I mean, this camera sucks, dude.
Okay.
Everything's blurry as hell, so
Government issue.
I'm taking the same picture like 1,000 times. Just so that we can get a good picture.
To the 1833. Great, 114 Adam, 4 acre. 4 acre. So then 65 south at the Kennedy, 65 south at the Kennedy. So they somehow broke down on the right hand side, blocking a lane of traffic. So then 34. Baker on you, 234.
Well, just sort of an extra.
242 Baker, 1834. Great, 360 Adam, 2 Baker, can you copy another? So the 3409 Shag Park, number 1, 3409 Shag Park, number 1. It's going to be a domestic with violence. Female said a male tried to put his hands on her. Hung up before answering your brother to say it was her boyfriend. Looks up, go. And that's made for 35.
Sir?
I'm just kidding.
Two 6 M's on scene. 269 1830.
Okay. We can go ahead and collect all this stuff up. And hopefully Simon will hear something. Yes, I got a picture. Call Simon. Don't forget to have me give you a call back.
Oh, you're fine.
There you go. You got anything in it?
Probably her ID. In here,
Okay. Alrighty. Alright, so he still hasn't even talked to her.
Huh?
He still hasn't even talked to her.
You haven't talked to her?
No.
This is so heavy. Where's the body?
36 Baker at 1839.
Here, I'm sorry. Can you picture that?
her wallet was in here. That's probably got her ID in it. Yep.
Whatever you can take.
Dean, you want the towel and the EMS stuff or just her clothing? I don't know what evidentiary purpose it would hold,
No, just
other than the fact it shows that she bled pretty good.
maybe the white sheet that's got all the blood.
Okay.
Baker 1841.
Might need to get some bigger bags than these.
Great, 214 Baker.
I will see if CSU will give some to me when I go down there.
Baker,
Hello?
1936, South 28, 1936, South 28 on a domestic violence. Car said her sister's daughter is abusing her sister. Jennifer Nash, black female, and no clothing description.
That's fine.
1841.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's easier. We don't need it right now, that's fine. No, that's fine. I can, if you don't have the code, I can do that tomorrow. The code? Okay, I'm just making sure. Alright, I gotta go. Bye. Sneaky woman.
Alright. Wall from there.
Okay, go ahead and close this out. 118 Red Gate, 23.
Throw this in the car. His boyfriend doesn't live here, so he can't do this.
So, no, I agree, it's close, but if we want to get something good out of there, so it's not worth it.
But if she says no, she says no.
I think, I know I'm gonna go off.